Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to add variable product in this tutorial. First, we need to access the back end of the website. Once you're at the dashboard, look for products and click on it. Here is where you manage all your products, from editing existing products to adding new products. For this tutorial, we'll focus on adding new variable products. So click on Add New. The process of adding a new variable product is much like the previous tutorial where I explained how to add a simple product, but with just few different steps. I'll link it in the description box below for you to check it out. Now, first thing, let's add a product name. My variable product will be sweater. Then you go down to this description box. Here you can add a long description talking about the product, or you can add a size chart or whatever it is that you'd like your customers to know. I'll just paste a dummy text for the example. Then you scroll down to product data. Switch the simple product option to variable product option, then go to attributes. Here is where you add the characteristics of your product. Click on this bar and add color for your product and size to mention the available sizes of the product. So I've already pre-added the attributes beforehand. You probably won't see the same options as you haven't added any attributes before if you are new. What you can do is either choose Customize Product Attribute, and you write the name of the attribute along with the values, or you can go to Attributes under Product and customize your attributes there. Once you are done, check the boxes that says Used for Variations and click Save Attributes. Then go to Variations and click Go. Click on this to reveal a drop-down of additional information to add to your product. Here you can add in your SKU, the price, and even schedule a sale. You can select the stock status, weight, dimensions, and so on. Once you're done, click Save Changes. After that, go to the product short description to add a summary of your product. Now on the right, you can see product image and product gallery. Product image is the display image, while product gallery is the sub-images that a customer can browse through. So let's add our product image. Remember to make use of the alt text box to improve your website's SEO. Then, let's add our product gallery. Once you are done, scroll up and add your categories and product tags. Then scroll up to Publish. You can click on the preview to see what it looks like. Here is the price, short description, the product image, and the product gallery. You can see the size and color. If you scroll down, you can see the long description. If you are happy with it, you can go back to the products page to publish. You can either publish immediately or set a date and time for it to publish. Once you're done, click on Publish. Now let's visit the site to see if it got published. There you go, all set. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this to be helpful. Goodbye!